All right, everyone. Here we are with TNXP, Tonix Pharmaceuticals Hldg Corp. And before I get started, I do want to state some things. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. And share this with your friends and community. And at the end of this video, there's going to be a pop-up. There's a series that I'm doing that's called, Is the Stock Market Crash Coming? I highly encourage you guys, if you haven't already seen it or had the time to watch it, go check it out. For all my new viewers or first-time viewers, I want to say welcome to my channel. I hope you guys find this informative and helpful. And if you find it worthwhile, check out the other video. And if that video is informative and helpful, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get notified on when I post daily videos. And I will be posting that series of videos weekly and days before the pump so that you guys as investors, right, and my viewers and subscribers are well equipped and ready for the upcoming week and to take advantage of these pumps, because that keeps us in a bullish market. Even though a lot of people are going to think we're in a bearish market or that the market is bearish and so forth, if you look at the S&P 500, it's been a bullish run, and excuse these notes from the previous days and stuff and from the previous video, but we're on a bullish run. Even though this fell here, and I don't want us to think too much into that because you guys are going to see why we're in a bullish run. But we're in a bullish run. This has just been going up and up. Even though it falls, levels out, it falls, and then it continues to bring itself up. I mean, all it's done is get itself up from there, and that's all because of the Fed. So there's more information on that in the video. And this upcoming week, we're going to see how this plays out tomorrow and how it plays out Monday, and then coming to the day of the pump, we'll see how it reacts. But what I want us to grasp is what's going on the days before and the day of the pump and the day after. So check out that video. You guys are going to be able to learn a lot of information that honestly I wish more people talked about or were more transparent about, and I'm glad I'm able to share that with you guys. So let's jump into this chart. So very bullish the days before. It reached its high of 245, and honestly, that is the most important point of this whole stock. It got rejected from there, and as you could see, the rejection was constant. It wasn't like a one-day rejection. It was a two-day rejection. And finally, the bulls, once this kind of leveled out, they reappeared. They bumped it. They bumped it. They broke through resistance. And now they're keeping themselves using the resistance as support. But it's been pretty tough. Now, from bringing it from here to up here and staying above it, that's a sign of the bulls really making their efforts. But are they exhausted, or will they be able to continue? That's the question. So let's go ahead and zoom in on what's important here for tomorrow. So there's some new points of support and resistance. Awesome for the bulls as that played out. And they were able to use the resistance as support, and now they're hanging in there. And we're going to see the new points that we want to pay close attention to for tomorrow. So the 50-day moving average is 147. It literally is 3 cents above the closing price. So have the Bears won this? No, they have not. Have the Bulls won this? No, they have not. So right now we're in the quite middle of the tug of war portion, and this point is going to either be the turnaround point of the Bears coming back and destroying this, or the Bulls reappearing and continue to push themselves to excel upwards, right? Ending the week strong and maybe even to bring it over to the next week. But that's something that we will have to see how this plays out tomorrow. So 147 is the 50-day moving average. Closing price was 144. But for the Bulls to get into bullish territory, they just need to break over 147 and stay anywhere in this area. But for there to be a run, right, upward direction like this, the bulls have to break through 168, use it as support, and they can start to break through new resistance levels. That is key for the bulls. And in the short run, if they break through the 50-day moving average of 147, in the short run, if you want to write this down, 157, if that's broken through and the bulls can continue in an upward direction above that, they'll be on their way towards 168. But once they hit 168, this is where it needs to really be tested and proven to be used as support to continue its way up. On the other hand, if the Bears are able to continue to tear this down and break through 137 and bring it down to bearish territory, they just pulled it away, further away from the 50-day moving average. They just broke through a support level, and now the next support level would be somewhere close to 128. And if they get real close to that, the Bears are just dominating this one. And even if the Bulls were to appear, the Bulls will have to come strong and hefty to even bring this back up and get it closer to the 50-day moving average, or at least cross it. But they still got a long way to go to break through their resistance level of key indicator if this is going to continue its bullish run. So 137 is important. If this breaks through it, I'd keep a very close eye on this and see what's going on and how further away is it getting from the 50-day moving average. But we're going to have to see how this tug of war plays out tomorrow. It's going to be very interesting. We'll see how it plays out. And as always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. And share this with your friends and community. And click on the next video. You will find that video very informative and helpful. Alright, thank you so much for watching.